This is A.E. Chandler behind the scenes with the Glenbow Museum's military collection. We're here with our 1945.10, and he is a North German half armor, except for this helmet, which is from the south. And this maker's mark to me looks like the Austrian coat of arms, so that could be where he's from. It's a German Reiter helmet, so that means that the wearer would have been on horseback. And this guy's probably from about the 1550s. And all the pieces except the helmet have this scalloped design, but other than that, they don't really seem to be associated with each other necessarily, which is interesting. Karczewski talks about this Agavold design on the gauntlets, and it's only on the gauntlets, and he says that that's kind of unusual just to have that on one element of the armor. The gauntlets in particular have some parts that are not original to them. So on the left gauntlet, it looks like the base of the thumb is original, but on the right gauntlet, it looks like a replacement, and all the fingers look as though those are replacement parts as well. Although you can see some of the detail and the damage that's been done there. Looking at the inside of the plates and seeing how the scallop design was made, you can see that by looking on the breastplate at those tool marks, those same tool marks don't appear on any of the other elements. So those tool marks that we were just looking at on the inside of this piece, those support Karczewski's theory. He said that most tassets that you see on these breastplates, they attach, they buckle on. These ones are riveted on, and he says it looks like they've actually been trimmed from the original and then added on to the fold here, which he thinks it looks as though it's been partially restored. So this was actually a pretty interesting armor to take a look at, because a lot of the harnesses that we see, they've been restored by people who didn't really know what they were doing, or they were doing it for profit and they were doing it as quickly as they could. But this one, whoever was trying to restore this one and put these pieces together and make a cohesive grouping out of them, they actually took their time and they did a lot of things right. Although looking closely at the plates, you can tell that it was definitely not the natural grouping. If you're interested in more original history, you can check out the other videos on this channel, or The Scarlet Forest, A Tale of Robin Hood, my historical novel that is available at Chapters, Amazon, and all over. Thanks.